Greetings everyone, I'm token number 86. Let me begin with a question. If India is youngest nation in the world, then are we truly investing enough in our youth to shape the India of 2047? The answer lies in the Union Budget 2026, because this budget is not merely a financial statement, it is a vision document, a journey from stabilization in the past to transformation today, leading us towards Viksit Bharat 2047. It reflects a powerful shift from giving basic education to building innovation, entrepreneurship and leadership. Take for example, the rise of young Indian entrepreneurs building startups in AI, agri-tech and digital platforms. Their success is not accidental. It is backed up by policy push, funding, skill development supported through budget initiatives. Today's youth is no longer one-dimensional. Today's youth is a scientist driven by research missions like STEM 2.0, a farmer empowered by modern agriculture practices, a creator supported by ABGC labs in 15,000 schools and 500 colleges, a sports person strengthened by Khelo India, a soldier protected by a record defense allocation of 7.8 lakh crore, and most importantly, today's youth is an empowered young woman supported by initiatives like Girls Hostel in every district and entrepreneurship missions. But let me ask, is this growth reaching everyone equally? The reality is no. There is still a deep lack of infrastructure and access, especially in rural and tribal regions. There is still disparity between urban and rural, digital and non-digital India. And that's where the true test of budget lies. Because development without inclusion is incomplete. We must remember Saman Avsar Hi Sacha Vikas hai. This calls for reforms not just in policies, but in implementation, better connectivity, stronger education system and equal access to opportunities. At the same time, we cannot ignore the backbone of our nation, agriculture. If agriculture grows, India grows. If farmer prospers, youth will return to the field with pride and innovation. Now imagine this. When innovation is funded, India builds a powerful digital economy. When agriculture is strengthened, India secures its future. When defense is modernized, India stands fearless. When healthcare improves, India becomes stronger. When infrastructure expands, India creates jobs. And when youth is empowered, India rises. So I conclude with this. The Union Budget 2026 is not just about numbers on motion. It's about dreams in motion. And if these dreams are created and supported with real intent and action, then mark my words. India will not just participate in global race, India will lead it. Thank you so much for your patience hearing. Thank you.
Thank you. Next.